Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the new MKS5 smartwatch. As you can see, we have the MKS in front of us. You can see in the side we have call reminder, call rejection, we have notifications, steps, heart rate, multiple motion monitoring and burn calories as well. We have a couple of sports and a couple of things that we'll try. The MKS5s come with 1.6 inch display, 170 mAh battery, and it will charge in 1.5 hours. You can see we have here the bands itself with the charger, and we have the user manual at the bottom of the package. You can see in the user manual we have quite a few information in different languages. You can see we have here the English version and the Chinese as well. We have the QR code for apps, and this watch supports Bluetooth 5.0, Android 4.4 and above, also iOS 8.0 and above. We have waterproof IP67, and we have a single touchscreen display, which we will see later. So these are a few specs about the MKS. Let's power it on and see what we got. You can see in the first page we have the percentage of battery, burn calories that we did, steps, heart rate and the clock itself. We can see the battery at the top and the weather as well. Next we have pedometer. You can see the steps that we did. We have the distance or the mileage. Next we have the calories, heart rate, measuring blood pressure, blood oxygen, sports, sleep. You can see the hours and minutes of sleep. We have messages, find phone, music control, photography, weather, timer, settings. Here in the settings we have about, brightness. You can adjust the brightness here just by pressing it and holding it. Next we have the restore, and this is the settings. We have shutdown at the end of the settings. So let's try some of these options that we saw before, starting from the heart rate. Here you can see we have the heart rate and the statistic at the bottom. We have measuring here. Let's see how fast it measures. You can see we have the first result here. It was not so fast, but again very good for a smartwatch like the MKS5. Let's see what we have other to test. You can see all these measurements will be saved in the watch as well as in the app that we can check it out later. We have now the blood pressure. Let's see the blood pressure, how it works. We have the first result. It was faster than some other smartwatch blood pressure, which is good. And we have the blood oxygen as well. We will see the percentage of blood oxygen from the MKS5, and let's see how fast this one goes. We have now here the percentage. As you can see, it was very fast for my opinion. The blood oxygen usually takes a little bit. Here at sports we have walking, running, cycling, hiking, and that is it. We have only 4 sports, which is a little bit disappointing. Let's try walking. As you can see, immediately the seconds goes. We have heart rate, burn calories, mileage, steps, and that's it. So for the MKS5 we don't have too much option for the sports. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smartwatch.